How to get Facebook Marketplace. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can get Facebook Marketplace, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to get Facebook Marketplace, all you have to do is first of all make sure your Facebook app is updated and go ahead and then launch the Facebook application. Once you launch the Facebook app, you will see this type of interface where you will find the marketplace icon at the very top. Now your account should already have marketplace by default. Just in case you don't see in the menu bar, tap the three lines option over here. If you're using iOS, these options will be at the bottom, by the way. And then over here you'll find all shortcuts. Inside all shortcuts you can look for marketplace icon, which I have right here. But again, just in case you don't have it, you can tap the see more option here and look for marketplace icons from the bottom, because marketplace is going to be by there for default for all of the Facebook accounts. Doesn't matter whether you have public, private, professional account or whatever, marketplace should always be there. And marketplace icon will only show up in the menu bar if you use it frequently, because these are just the shortcuts that you use more frequently. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.